like Arabian days.
Hey, Sammy. What's going on here?
Hey, Susie, do you remember when Elsa visited her friend, Princess Jasmine?
Uh-huh, I remember that.
Well, Jasmine decided to pay a return visit.
I got it. So now you're rearranging our house like an Arabian palace for our guest's visit.
Exactly. We need to get rid of all the furniture, like throw some pillows on the floor, a lot of them.
Hold on, Sammy. I guess she's coming to see how we live, and if Jasmine gets homesick, she'll have a whole room. Follow me. Hi guys! It's been a while since we've made a craft devoted to a Disney princess. Today we'll work with foam board and foam paper a lot to build a cute little room in the Arabian Night style.
For Princess Jasmine. Oh, hi. Take this shoe.
Thanks. This is gonna be one terrific room in an Arabian style. Let's make an opening right here, closer to the upper edge, like this. By the way, guys, you'd better ask an adult to help you with the cutter.
Yeah, guys, remember to be very careful with the cutter and other sharp objects that you'll be using during this craft.
And that's it. Now we need to decorate this long window with this golden colored paper.
Shoo! These edges aren't princessy enough. Take these.
Interesting. These do look very beautiful. Let's place one of the strips right here. Perfect.
Told ya, it's gonna be fabulous.
Then we'll make all the pieces of our craft this way today. Cool, right? I absolutely love it.
Shoo, I found this piece over there.
Oh, this is gonna be another wall for our room. You see, it has 2 sweeping windows. Let's upgrade them. Whoa, check this out, guys. It's shining so beautifully.
Susie, why haven't we made any crafts based on Aladdin's adventures yet?
Honestly, I don't know, Sammy. I always liked his story. How he's a courageous guy with a huge and kind heart. And when the movie came out in 2019, I was completely amazed by it. All those beautiful colors and animation. Oh, and the songs, of course.
I wish I found a lamp with a genie in it.
Oh, really? And what would you ask him for?
An endless stash of candies, of course. And what about you, Susie?
Oh, if I met a genie here right now, I'd ask him for more pieces for the second floor of this palace room.
Let me make that dream of yours come true. I can help. Alakazam, alakazoo!
Wow, Sammy, that was awesome. Am I right, guys? Then give us a thumbs up. Now let's apply some glue. Do it carefully not to get dirty. All right, now we need to attach it to this part.
Oh, I'm so glad that we're making this Arabian-style craft today.
By the way, we already made quite a few dwellings for Elsa. You can find those videos on our channel.
And the best and my favorite part is the interior decor. When will we start the furniture?
Just a second, we're almost there, Sammy. And done! Now our Jasmine will be able to enjoy a nice view from this balcony/second floor.
Oh, shoot, what do you have there? Oh, looks like a snake.
It's not a snake. This is gonna be a ladder, you see? Here comes the first step. Now that the main construction is done, we can turn to the decor. I'll start with this fake tattoo.
Wow, Susie, I didn't know you were planning to have a tattoo.
This is not for me, Sammy. It's for the carpet. It's rather small, so I'll use a Q-tip here. We'll carefully transfer this pattern to the piece of foam using some water like this.
Oh, that's so cool, Sue. I love temporary tattoos.
Oh yeah, Sammy. Guys, check out what we've got. Looks good, huh? Let's place it right here. It fits perfectly.
Hey, Sue, check out what I made.
Wow, that's great, Sammy. Is this a table?
Yep, I defo saw one like that in the Aladdin movie.
Okay, that's the perfect spot for it. Speaking of the movie, did you know that it became the 9th grossing movie of 2019?
Oh, I can't even imagine how many people went to see it in the cinemas.
Apparently a lot. Before the official release, this movie was called one of the most anticipated films of the year. Can you believe that, Sammy?
I was totally anticipating it. I wanted to see how they were going to show Raja.
Oh, he turned out so cute. As well as this couch.
So check this out. I'm sure you'll like it.
Let's see. Whoa, awesome. That's a tiny cushion with tassels. And that is... wow, another carpet made in the same technique I used. It fits here perfectly. That was brilliant, Sammy. Let's move on to the next step. Oh, it looks like we're out of large pieces of foam. Let me bring some more. It'll just take a second. Okay, the foam is here. I guess this should be enough to finish our craft.
Hey, Susie, check out the bed I made.
Okay. I think it's missing a mattress. All right. Well, it doesn't anymore.
How in the world do you do this? You take these sticks, they can also be used.
What do you mean, how I do this?
You always take something cool and make it even cooler with one simple touch.
Oh, thank you. You're a master of crafts too. Guys, check out these bed pieces Sammy made.
Thanks, Sue. Your appreciation is the best prize. Even if I was waiting for you to admit that.
Oh, you slick little slime.
Sue, I made 2 more bed legs, but I can't find them.
Here they are.
Oopsie.
We only need to glue the legs now. There. Ah, and our bed is almost ready.
If you're thinking I'm doing nothing, you're wrong.
That sounded a bit like a threat. Right, guys? Come on, Sammy, at least give us a hint at what you're making there.
You'll see that in a couple of seconds.
Okay. Guys, we carefully glued this bed head to its place. See? It's wonderful. Something's missing, though. Shall we throw a couple of these cute pillows Sammy made from foam? Hop. And hop. It's coming out nice. Voila! Our bed is ready. Let's place it here.
Sue, are you ready to see what I was working on for so long?
Sure, Sammy. I bet it's something really cool for our room.
The royal mirror out of foam is here.
Now you're rhyming? It looks perfect.
Uh-huh, and it's a gift from another princess, Snow White.
Oh, right. How did that go again? Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest one of all?
Me, of course. I'm the fairest one of all.
I made this cute chair for our console mirror. And a cushion in Arabian style. I think they go perfectly together.
Sue, aren't you forgetting something?
Right! What would I do without ya? Let's add some coziness. Check out our beautiful curtains.
Sue, the plants!
You're right. Plants can make any room cozier and fresher. Let's put this one right here. And one more here. This is the best spot for this one. Don't forget Jasmine's pet tiger. Boo will live on the second floor. Let's fill the console mirror with cosmetics. Voila! Princess Jasmine's room is ready.
Raja seems to like the interior. Shall we take a closer look at it, guys?
Okay, now all is perfect. Guys, I hope Princess Jasmine will like this room.
Oh, she's here! She's here!
Easy, Sammy. Breathe.
You're right. It's just another Disney princess, Sammy. You can do it.
Here she is. Jasmine meets Sammy and the guys.
Well, Jasmine, How do you like it here? Uh-huh. Ah, okay, I got it. Jasmine says this room looks marvelous. Moreover, she asked me to take some pictures.
Yay! Guys, did you like our craft today? Then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!